Hello everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today, we're going to check out the Make It Mini Spa Multi-Pack, and we're going to make a miniature one for your dolls. And of course, there's no better place to check out the Make It Mini Spa Multi-Pack than in our Make It Mini Spa bathroom. And if you'd like to see the video on how we made this bathroom, check out the link in the description box below. I think the thing I'm most excited to check out is the little shelf that is included with the set. Now, I wanted to see how the little shelf would look in my spa bathroom, and it fits perfectly against the wall here. We can add in our little tray of towels that it comes with and turn this space into a cute little spa. The kit comes with everything you need to make more bath bombs, just like the spa balls. There's a pink and a yellow powder for the bath bombs. It also comes with the bowl, the spoon, and your scent for the bath bomb, and the little bath bomb molds. But the fun little extra that comes with the kit is this cute little jar to put your bath bombs in. Oh, I'm so excited to fill this baby up. Although I wonder if I'll use it for bath bombs or will I use it for something else? You never know. It also comes with the white orchid from the Make It Mini Lifestyle series. So we can add that to the shelf. And the next thing you get is the little diffuser set with a eucalyptus scent and a liquid base. And this is not something you're going to find in one of the balls. This is a separate extra thing. And we did get one little loofah as well with this collection. Another cute little part of this collection is these cute yellow candles that you make. Here's the resin that comes with that. You've got the miniature wicks and these cute little candle holders on this adorable tray. And last, but certainly not least, it comes with this little drink set. So you get your water, your ice, your little pieces of mint and cucumber. And then you've got the little pitcher with the two glasses to make it into. Wow, I feel like these multi-packs end up being a really good deal because of course we found it on sale, which I just checked, and it is on sale today. I don't know when you're watching this, but watch for sales, especially on Target. I feel like Target has really good sales for this stuff. So let's look at this. We get basically a Make It Mini Spa ball here with the bath bombs and the extra little bath bomb container, which you would not have gotten in a spa ball. So that's like $10 right there. And then we've got the orchid, which is a lifestyle ball, and honestly, the candles as well. So 2 lifestyle balls here. So that's like another $20. So we're up to like $30 right there. And this, you can't even get this in a ball, but it reminds me of the happy hour ones where it comes with glasses and the stuff to make the drinks. So that's another like $7.99. And then this, we can't even get this set. So that's another like probably a smaller spa ball, but like maybe $7.99 on that one. And then we got the towels. How about the wood shelf? I mean, this is a pretty sweet little deal here because I looked today and it says it regularly sells for $30 and Target had a sale for like $20. So it's like paying for 2 balls, y'all. Anyway, as much fun as this all is, it's time to get crafting. To get the printable for this build, you'll go to my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. And of course, the link and other information will be in the description box below. I printed mine on this double-sided brochure paper. So I'll get a glossy and vibrant look. Start with cutting out your image. Then I like to fold the top and the bottom before I cut the tabs. I just think you get a nicer fold when you do it that way. To cut the tabs, just cut in straight and then come back at an angle. Like so. Once the tabs are cut, then you can go in and fold all the sides. Now, once you get to this point, you can either make this the simple way or the harder way. So if you're just going to make it the simple way, just fold up the sides, glue everything together, and you're done. But if you'd like to make it more fancy and 3D, you'll need to cut out this front panel. So I'm very careful to leave certain parts of the edges so that I have something to glue down to. So we're like, on this side I'm leaving the purple edge. On the bottom I'm leaving all the white. And I cut up to that little sticker here. On the top, I cut across the top, leaving part of the image to glue to. But then, once I get certain parts cut, I'm going to go in with my scissors and cut out little parts that I want to stay on top. Like, I definitely want this little multi-pack and 40 plus piece. I'm going to cut around that. And you know, this is all easier said than done when it comes to doing it on camera. I'm also going to cut around this little real sticker here on the side. And I want all these images on the edges to stand out. So I'm going to cut around them. We need our little Make It Mini Spa sign here. And our Miniverse logo. Okay. Once you're all done, your cutout should look something like this. All right, the next thing you'll need to do is open up the box, and I'm going to glue a piece of foam core board that I've cut to the width of my image, so it's the same size as my image here. And I'm going to glue it on the back inside the box. Then I'm going to glue this image right on top of that. Just make sure you check your edges, make sure everything's folding over properly at this point. And it looks good. The next thing I do is cut out a piece of clear plastic from packaging. And I'm going to glue that over the opening. Now, I always use a stronger glue when I'm gluing on the plastic so that it holds nice and does not fall off. I've noticed my glue stick is just not strong enough for that to hold the clear plastic down properly. And then you'll let that dry. Add glue to the side and glue down your side next. Making sure everything lines up and matches. Fold in your bottom tabs, the back side of your box, add your glue, and glue down the front tab on the bottom. And you're going to do the same thing to the top. Fold your tabs in, fold the back tab down, add your glue, and fold down that front tab. And now you have a little miniature Make It Mini swap box. Isn't that cute? And now you can add it to the shelves in your miniature store. Let me know in the comments down below what else you would love to see us miniaturize. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. We hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting and collecting.